Hello there. In this episode of the Comment of the Week, Samantha Lee says, I can ride and corner pretty well, but I death grip and struggle sometimes with brake and clutch control. Well, Samantha Lee, I completely understand your frustration. I remember when I used to be riding in the mountains for the first time, and I would death grip the bars because I was intimidated by the challenging trails, and this caused me to get exhausted really quickly, and it wasn't as much fun to ride. But now, being confident in riding those more challenging trails, looking back, I know what I was doing wrong. And it comes back to your riding position and your technique. So a common mistake is how you position yourself on the bike. Whether you're sitting too far back or when you're standing up too tall. So what this does, it puts too much pressure on your arms and hands because you're trying to control the bike with your arms and hands, but this is really way too much pressure for them to handle. So what does it cause? It causes you to got a bug or something. It causes you to death grip the bars. You're trying to control the bike with mainly just your arms and hands. So your arms get really pumped up, you start riding tense, and it makes it really hard to use your brake and clutch levers because your arms are so pumped up that you can barely even move your fingers. So when you get tensed up, you get exhausted quickly. This makes it less fun to ride, and you're more likely to crash because you can't stay in control. So maybe this causes you to ride slower, or you just have to stop more often than you'd like because you can't hang on to the bars that tight for that long. So what do you do instead? Well, you have to shift your body position so that you're not hanging on so tight with your hands, but rather putting that stress and energy and weight into your legs and your core. Think about it. Your legs are a lot bigger than your arms, or at least they should be, and that's because they can handle more weight, and you're supposed to be using them, your legs and your core, more than you're using your arms so that you can relax your arms, and this will allow you to control the brake lever, the clutch lever, and the throttle more easily, more smoothly, so that you can have more fun and stay in control on the trails. But this is just one mistake that people make that causes you to ride tense and out of control. So I want to show you all the basic techniques you need to ride on the trails with confidence. You can get my free guide at motocrosshideout.com/free lessons, or click the link in the description below. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun being a casual trail rider.